Hey everybody, Steve Sheets here with Ghost Ranch Communications doing a super quick tutorial today about the Cameo feature in PowerPoint, which is newly greatly improved. Makes it so you can add a live video of yourself as you're presenting. You just add it somewhere within your presentation. That way if you're over Zoom or anything like that while you're screen sharing, your audience can still see you. So we'll dive in here, show how it works. You want to go to the Insert tab, and Cameo's right here. You can add to all slides, and it'll just do kind of the default placement, whatever, on every slide. I'm just going to do this slide because I'm going to put a little bit of care into what I'm doing. And obviously, the thing to really watch out for is having the video cover your content. One way to watch out for that, or to take care of that issue rather, is to just make sure your video is sitting somewhere in a safe space, like over here on this slide. Seems just fine. This gets a little tricky. I wouldn't want the video of yourself jumping around too much from place to place as you're presenting. So another way to approach this would be to just design with a safe space in mind. And I've just copied and pasted the Cameo onto this slide here. And if I had a design where my content is always in the same spot, I can have my video next to it and not worry about having to move it or covering anything important, and it preserves the integrity of the design. So this could work really well for consistency. And there's all sorts of stuff you can do. If I go up to this camera format tab, I can change the shape of the camera. Maybe I'd want it to be square on all my slides. I don't know, that could look pretty good. You can adjust the crop, all sorts of stuff up here to play with, but I'll just keep it really simple and try to be as consistent as possible. And in the name of that, I'll just copy this and I can paste it onto this slide. It's not really covering anything too important, so I think that'll work there. And let's jump back here. I'll start a slideshow. We can see it in action. And there we go. For the first time ever, showing my face here on one of our Ghost Ranch tutorials. And this is how it works. Thank you so much. Hope this was helpful. We are Ghost Ranch Communications. We make the art for storytelling. Hit us up for any of your presentation needs. Be more than happy to help, as well as any other design collateral. We got a whole team ready to rumble. So we'll look forward to hearing from you, and have a great day.